Hey, Eric here again. I've basically reconstructed my GEET system. I had a few theories as to why it wasn't performing very well before, and I've gone back to the drawing board. Here's what I have now. This is what I had before. As you can see, this is a lot smaller. I basically concluded that the moisture in the reaction chamber was a result of just not enough heat, not enough vacuum, etc., etc. So I rebuilt the entire thing to create more heat, and so far it's been working not too bad. It runs really well on fuel vapors, and I can get away with about 30% water to fuel mixture. Here's my bubbler tank. I get to about 50% water, and it doesn't run very well. It'll run for a minute or so and then shut off. So I'm still doing more R&D yet. I've had a few problems with soldered joints. I had to change this around here. I had this connection right here, and I ended up melting this solder joint, so I just put a little extra length in here to cool it down just a little bit. The other thing that I actually want to show is I've been experimenting with the reaction rods, and I've found that just a regular drill bit works pretty well. The only curious thing is that it does not develop any permanent magnetic field. I've had this drill bit in for about 10 or so minutes, and I could just barely get that. If I can get it at all, I can barely get it to move the needle. And this has been in for a while, so it's a little bit curious that it doesn't develop any kind of magnetic field. But I do have theories. The reason I chose a drill bit is, well, I have dozens of them lying around, first of all, and second of all, the spiraled fluid on it, I think, will enhance the spiraling effects of the vortex. I'd be interested to know whether or not the spiral on a typical drill bit is vortexing the fuel in the right direction. I may I know you can buy reverse angle drill bits that spiral the other direction, and I may try that, and I may see how that works. The other advantage to using a drill bit that I find is that you can get any size you want. You can play around with the clearance very easily. They are magnetic, and they're about the right length. If I were to cut it, though, to make the length a little different, I would be cutting, I think, the spiraled section off. The straight portion is quite short, only about maybe an inch or so, inch and a half, depending on the thing. The reason I went to a drill bit was This is the original reaction rod that I used when I was burning in the engine, and I found that only a very small portion of it was getting hot. If you can see it, there's only about 2 inches of this 8-inch rod that's getting blue, turning blue. So I thought I'd shrink it down a little bit and play around with the diameters. So anyway, I'm still doing some more research and development here, and hopefully I can come up with something that's pretty reliable. I think I'm making some progress. It's a little slow going, but it is going, so that's a good thing. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.